when you're feeling lonely and your heart is hungry, I'll light the shade. And
they say we were created to make music, that we have inbuilt melodies and rhythms in our heart, and that everyone, absolutely everyone, can learn how to play. And Three Worlds on the Gold Coast has become a mecca for people of all styles who want to find their rhythm. This place was conceived by Matt Lees and Jason Ure, two good friends with a shared love of the arts of meditation, drumming and fire twirling. So Matt, how would you describe Three Worlds?
A place where people come and have fun, learn new things like drumming, fire twirling, juggling. You know, it's a place where people come and get inspired as well. You know, there's so many people coming of all different age groups and just totally letting their hair down and just enjoying it. You know, we can teach everyone drumming. Teach a little rhythm, yeah? Okay. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Am I speeding up or are you? It seems to have these areas that it starts at the shop, and then you've got this wonderful eatery area here and a performance space and the veggie garden at the back. It's like there's little worlds within the one building.
Oh, it's awesome, you know, and just after a drumming workshop, you know, people come and just have a pizza or, you know, in the cafe and, you know, just enjoy, and it brings people together.
Three Worlds workshops on fire twirling, drumming, the congas and didgeridoo are open to people of any or no skill level.
when the moon escapes you.
Then just loosen up, watch out. Look out now. You would have been on fire then.
I'd be up in flames. Well, Jason, thank you so much for the lesson. I'm glad it wasn't lit.
No, you did really well.
Be a Bunsen burner by now. People from all over the Gold Coast have taken an interest and started gathering at Justin's Park at Burleigh every Sunday night between 6:30 and 8:30 to drum, twirl, didge, flip and anything else that tickles the itch. On Sundays between 4:30 and 8, there's a Broadwater drumming session at Harley Park in Labrador, right next to the Grand Hotel. And the Three Worlds workshops run at various times during the week. For information on where, when and prices, have a look at the website.
When the sun denies you, I'll light the shade.
Ahead on the show, John Hawkins will get you